Hey everyone, it is
Mom Hack Monday!
Alright, that's right, Mom Hack Monday, and we are here to make a scalp oil. Okay, so what we're going to do is you get a dropper bottle like this. Aiden has one in his hand, and we're actually going to use the oil Panaway. Now you might be wondering about why we use Panaway, and we're also going to use cedarwood and rosemary. Here's some rosemary and rosemary. So Panaway is great for me personally in my scalp because I tend to get a lot of inflammation happening on my scalp. So the way that Wintergreen, Clove, Helichrysum all work really help with that, with your skin and your muscles. But this actually will work on your scalp. So this is why I add it into my scalp serum. And so you'll add about 15 drops of Panaway, and then 15 drops of rosemary and 15 of cedarwood. So rosemary and cedarwood are really good for scalp support, but also for hair growth support. Okay, so then I'm going to show you how you put it in. All that you have to do is you want to take your hair down, and you want to put it in, but you don't want to wash your hair right away. So you want to let it sit on your scalp for about 15-20 minutes. Okay, so Shallow's really excited that it's Mom Hack Monday. So you're going to get the dropper like this, and you're going to rub it on your scalp. No. Samuel wants to make more. You already pre-made this. And you just rub it like that. And then you're going to massage it into your scalp. Again, you're going to let it sit for about 15-20 minutes. Sometimes I'll let it sit a little bit longer depending on if my skin's really irritated. So then I'll do that. And then I just wash it like normal with normal shampoo and conditioner. And that is how I use my scalp serum. So I hope you enjoy it. Hope to show you how easy it is to use. And I'll just throw my hair up in a bun and let it hang out. So that is it. Have a great day. Bye.